Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature, typically at Haulover Inlet in Miami, but if you can't tell today, we're actually visiting the Point Pleasant Canal up in New Jersey, one of the most dangerous canals on the East Coast. Gonna be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the canal, but we'll go ahead and get started, moving to our first round where we're going to feature a Key West trying to traverse it. And it's definitely a rough day here at the canal. The current is ripping lots of traffic and they wind up stuffing it. It's always a tough one down here because you've got to find that right trim angle. It's one of the few locations you can't use power to actually get the bow raised because it's a no wake zone. And that's why we see so many stuffings down here at the canal. But that's going to bring us into the second round. Let's see if this captain has a little better luck than our first captain. And as we can tell, this is a much bigger boat, but it is still rocking. The canal is just a rough one today as this vessel is bobbing up and down. I'm not exactly sure what this boat is. It kind of has Hinkley lines, but it's not a Hinkley. Let me know in the comments below if you know what this vessel is, but the crew looks pretty solid. The boat, it looks like it's going to make it through the canal without any issues, and they'll wind up taking a win for the boats here in the second round. And that's going to bring us to the third round of our competition where the old whaler gang is going to show up trying to make it through the canal, and here we go. This crew looks tense. Everybody is hanging on. It is a wild ride in the little whaler. Even the captain looks a little tense as he clenches the wheel on this one. This crew, even though they make it through without stuffing it, they look nervous. It looks like a crazy ride, and I'm actually going to go ahead and give the canal the win on this one. Just based on the intimidation factor, it looks like the canal delivered, and that's going to take us into the fourth round with the canal up 2-1. And here we go. Let's see if our captain can get the boats back into this one. And again, another whaler coming at it. The crew is bobbing up and down, but Cap's got it trimmed up right, keeping the bow high, and they'll make it through without any issues, and this crew will take a win for the boats, and that's going to bring us back to a 2-2 tie. As we move into the fifth and final round of our contest, who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or the canal? And here we go. Our crew is coming in, so Cap's kind of bouncing around, trying to work his way methodically through the canal. He's staying close to the sides. I'm not sure if that's a better plan in this one or not. Typically, I know Haulover, if we hug the sides, is good, but here you're going to get the bounce back of the waves bouncing off the side of the canal. Wifey doesn't look real thrilled in the front, but they're going to make it through. It appears they won't have any issues, and they'll take a win for the boats, and the boats will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. the Canal. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.